Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly and easily, I will show you how you can edit a PDF file in Google Docs. So guys, firstly, of course, navigate to your Google Drive. Firstly, you will need to upload your file into your Google Drive. That's where the process starts. After that, as you can see, I have a PDF file right here. So just right click on it, open with Google Docs. You will be redirected to another page, which is a page. Oh, this file is not supported. Okay, let me try another PDF file then. Sorry. Okay, now that we are in our basically Google Drive, you just choose the PDF file that you wish to edit. For example, we'll choose this first one. All right, double click, open with Google Docs. You're going to be redirected into the Google Docs with, of course, the corresponding functionality and being able to, of course, edit your PDF file. And as you can see now, we're set. Look at this. We can easily edit our PDF file. We can change the text. We can do anything we want, basically. Guys, this is how it's done. Very, very easy. Give this video a thumbs up if this helped. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.